Here's how to stop message notification sounds on your iPhone. First, mute a specific conversation. For this, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Swipe left on the conversation you want to mute. Then tap on the bell icon to mute that specific chat or conversation. From now on, you won't get a message notification when you receive a message from that contact. Second, use Do Not Disturb to disable message sounds across all of your messages. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down just a bit and tap Focus Settings. Then tap on Do Not Disturb at the top. Here, tap on People. Make sure Allow Notifications From is selected and don't select anyone here. Now, let's enable Do Not Disturb by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Here, tap on Focus, and then select Do Not Disturb from the list. From this point, you won't hear any message notification sounds. Another option is to turn on silent mode. Go back to the main settings page, scroll down a bit, and tap on Sounds and Haptics. You can then put your iPhone in silent mode. This will silence your calls and other sounds as well. If you want to silence only your messages, turn off Only Message Sounds. Go back to the Sounds and Haptics settings, and then turn off silent mode. Then scroll down just a bit, and tap on Text Tone. Change the text tone to None. You can still keep the system haptics on. This means your iPhone will still vibrate when you receive a text message, but it won't play a sound. There will be no notification sound regardless of who the message is from.